In order to design the control system, we have two approaches actually. One is transfer function and state variable approach. So out of till now, started from initial definition of transfer function, and up to yesterday's class, we calculated transfer function. We analyzed the system stability using the transfer function, that is open loop transfer function or closed loop transfer function, anything that we used we designed the system based on the transfer function approach. But this is different when compared to transfer function approach. So transfer in the major thing is in the transfer function we have to give only single input and we are taking the single output. The coming to the advantage of state variable output, state variable approach, we have to give the multiple inputs. We can take the multiple outputs, right? And actually, transfer function is the conventional approach, traditional approach. State variable approach nowadays, it is the modern approach, right? And we discussed while explaining the definition of the transfer function, linear systems, what is linear system, what is linear time invariant system, we discussed, right? So here the transfer function is strictly applicable for LTI systems only, and they are limited to single input single output systems. But coming to state variable approach, right, the state variable approach, it is applicable to both linear as well as non-linear, and at the same time time variant as well as time invariant, and single input output systems and multiple input output systems. So that's the advantage. This is the advantage of state variable approach when you compared with the transfer function approach. State variable approach when you compared with the transfer function approach. And one more thing, in the definition of transfer function, we have one condition, right? We have to neglect the initial values. What is the definition of transfer function? It is a ratio of Laplace transform of output to Laplace transform of input under zero initial conditions. Under zero initial conditions and cheptam, right? Here in state variable analysis, we are considering those initial conditions also. Initial conditions, that means initial condition means the system is at rest. The system on చేయక ముందు దాంట్లో ఏమైనా డేటా ఉందా, ఇన్బిల్ట్ డేటా, the data also should be the data also should be considered. Okay. And time domain, transfer function is a frequency domain approach. Transfer function is a frequency domain approach, but in the state variable, it is a time domain approach. What is transfer function? If you observe, what is transfer function? If you observe, T of S equal to C of S by R of S. What is S? S is nothing but J omega. Omega means frequency. That's why transfer function is a basically frequency domain approach, but the state variable is a time domain approach. Okay. So similarly, we have different differences. It is based on trial and error procedure. It's not based on trial and error procedure. Okay. But the major, we have other differences also, but the major differences we are focusing the difference between transfer function and state variable approach is one thing. It is a traditional approach, conventional approach, and it is a modern approach. It is applicable for only LTI systems and single input output systems, single input and output systems. Okay. But it is applicable for linear as well as non-linear. LTI, time variant, invariant and time variant systems, and multi input and output system. We are neglecting the initial condition. That means X of 0, right? initial conditions, y of 0, anything, okay? But here we are considering initial condition. It is a frequency domain approach in REF, function of frequency or omega. It is a function of time, time domain approach. So these are main differences when we compare the time domain and state variable approach. The thing is, the control systems are designed and analyzed by using transfer function approach and the state variable approach. So in the state variable approach, what are the elements we have? What are the elements are there in the state variable approach? Let's discuss. Right. If you observe this is the representation of state space model. Representation of state space model. This is the representation of state space model. This is the standard representation model. Standard representation model. X dot means which is dx by dt. Okay, which is dx by dt. X dot equal to a into x plus b into e. Y equal to c into x plus d into e, where u is the input. U is the input. Y is the output. If you observe, u and y are input vector and output vector respectively. X and x dot are the state vector and differential state vector, already discussed. Dx dot nothing but dx by dt, where x is the state vector, x dot is the differential state vector. Okay, and A, B, C, D, these four are the matrices. A, B, C, D, they are the matrices. So A is the system matrix, B and C are the input and output matrices, D is the feed forward matrix. Feed forward matrix. Okay, so this is the standard representation of state space model. So very important for 2 marks. Okay, write the standard model for state space representation is the 2 marks question. You have to write the 2 equations and you have to define what are the variables we have here. What is x dot? What is x? X dot is the differential state vector, x is the state vector. Similarly, y is the output, u is the input, and A is the system matrix. B and C are the input and output matrices. D is the feed forward matrix. Okay, right. So if you see the what is the basic definition of state space analysis, if you observe this highlighted one, in control engineering, a state space representation is the mathematical model of physical system. Mathematical model of physical system as a set of input, output, and state variables related by the first order differential equations or difference equations. So base the definition of state space representation. It is a mathematical model of physical system as a set of input, output, and state variables related by the first order differential equations and or difference equations. So if you observe the thing here, right? So it is the representation of the state space model with the input, I mean system matrix, input matrix, output matrix, and feed forward matrix. State vector, I mean x is the state vector, X dot is the differential state vector, Y is the output vector, U is the input vector. So this is the standard representation. Okay, right. Then we'll discuss the terms which we use frequently in the state space model. What are the terms we'll going to use frequently in the state space model, right? So first one, basic concepts of states model. The first one is, what is state? First of all, what is state? So state is nothing but it is a group of variables which summarizes the history of the system in order to predict the future values, right? So it is a group of variables, the variables called state variables. Okay, so if we take the example of state variables, the current flowing through inductor and voltage across the capacitor in the electrical system. If you consider electrical system, the state variables are nothing but the current flowing through the inductor and voltage across the capacitor. This is for example only. I am telling this is for only example. So to get the clarity, what is state variables? Okay, so nothing but inductor and capacitors are the components of electrical network, right? Inductor and capacitors are the components of the electrical network, right? The current flowing through this inductor and the voltage measured across this capacitor are nothing but state variables. Okay, and the state is nothing but it is a group of variables, group of the state variables which summarizes the history of the system, which summarizes the history of the system in order to predict the future outputs, in order to predict the future outputs. Okay, that is called state. Okay, what is state variable? The number of state variables required is equal to number of storage elements present in the system. Number of state variable required is equal to number of storage elements present in the system. If you take the electrical system, what are the storage elements we have? Inductor and capacitor. Inductor and the capacitor. Next, state. What is state vector? What is state vector? It is a vector which contains state variable as elements. It is a vector which contains the state variables, that is inductor and capacitor, if you take electrical system, as elements. So these are the terms we have in the state space analysis. State is the group of state variables which summarizes the history of the system in order to predict the future outputs. State variable nothing but it is represents the storage elements in the system. State vector nothing but it is a vector contains these state variables as the elements. Okay, so state variable, state vector. This is also very important for short answer question. Definition of state variable, definition of the state vector. Okay, so which summarize the history of the system ante it is considering initial conditions, Nana. While in the transfer function approach we are neglecting these initial conditions, but in the state space analysis we are considering initial conditions. Based on the initial state of the system, we can predict future of the system. We can predict future of the system. Okay, that's why it's called which summarizes the history of the system in order to predict the future output. Okay, that is called state. What is the state of your system? Man cheptam. What is the state of your mind antam? తెలుసు కదా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ మైండ్? ప్రజెంట్ నీ మైండ్ ఎలా ఉందో, నీ కాన్సన్ట్రేషన్ ఎలా ఉందో దాన్ని బట్టి నీ ఫ్యూచర్, ఐ మీన్ తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ నీ స్టేట్, ఐ మీన్ నీ యాక్షన్ అనేది మనం చెప్పగలం. ప్రజెంట్ స్టేట్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ మైండ్ బట్టి నెక్స్ట్ నీ యాక్షన్ ఏంటో చెప్పగలం, రైట్? సిమిలర్లీ based on the summary of history of the system, you can predict the future output. That is called state. But in order to find the state of the system, we have to grouping the variables. Those variables called state variables. What are state variables? They are nothing but storage elements. What are storage elements? If you take the example, the inductor and the capacitor. What is state vector? It is a vector which is contains these variables as the elements. Okay, so that's about introduction to state variable, and definition of state variable, and the vector. Okay, chalo, we'll discuss how do we find state space model from a differential equation. What is the standard state space model? X dot equal to AX plus BU. Y output equal to CX plus DU, where U and Y are the input and output, right? X dot is the differential state vector, X is the state vector, A is the system matrix, B and C are the input output matrices, D is the feed forward matrices. Feed forward matrices. If you observe the thing here, right? See, this is state space representation of the system. State space representation of the system. So these are number of input variables. We discussed state space is applicable for multi inputs and outputs. Multi inputs and multiple outputs. Okay, multiple inputs and multiple outputs, right? MIMO. But transfer function is approach is applicable for only single input, single output approach systems. But it is for both. State space analysis for both. You can use multiple inputs. You can apply multiple inputs. You can take the multiple outputs. And we have n state variables. State variables nothing but storage elements. Storage elements. Okay. So this is standard representation of state space representation of the system. So if you represented it with the matrix like this, input vector, output vector, state variable vector, nothing but state vector, right? State equivalent differential aithe ila, right? So shall we take one? We'll take one example. Wait, yeah, right. This is a concept of state space model from differential equation. How do we form the state space model from a differential equation? Okay, all of you following? All of you following or not? Hello? All of you following? Yeah. అర్థమవుతున్నాయా? Say yes or no. Right. So we'll see one example. How do we model the state space model of the system with the help of differential equation, right? Consider the following series RLC circuit: resistor, inductor, and capacitor. Inductor and capacitors are nothing but state variables. Okay, it is having input voltage VA of t, and the current flowing through the circuit is I of t, right? So you can apply, if you output is nothing but voltage across the capacitor, that is VC of t. From the circuit, output voltage V0 of t is equal to voltage across the capacitor. The voltage across the capacitor is VC of t, which is nothing but the output voltage of this circuit, output voltage of this series circuit. Okay, chalo. Now it's time to apply KVL for this circuit. Right. If you apply the KVL for this circuit, no. Okay. Is it visible, Nana? My screen? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Visible, sir.
Okay. Thank you. So this is a circuit. Now we are going to apply the KVL around the circuit. Okay. This is the current flowing through the circuit is I of t. If you apply the KVL, right, the input voltage VA of t equal to the sum of voltage drops across the each element. So I of t into R, the current flowing through inductor is L di by dt, and the voltage across the capacitor is VC of t. VC of t. Okay. So the thing is here VA of t, R into I of t, sorry, it is equal to R into I of t plus L di by dt plus V naught of t if you apply KVL. But what is V naught of t? V naught of t is nothing but VC of t, which is voltage across the capacitor. We replace here. Okay. So now take these terms to your left hand side. To your left hand side, you're getting minus Ri of t minus Vc of t. And take this L also to the left hand side. You can get minus Ri of t by L minus Vc of t by L plus Vi of t by L. So this is di of t by dt R by L, Vc by L, and Vi by L. Right. So, can anyone tell me what are the state variables in this circuit? What are the state variables for this circuit? What are the state variables we have for this circuit? What are the state variables we have in this circuit?
Capacitor and inductor.
No. Capacitor and inductor are the storage elements, Nana. But the variables nothing but the voltage across the capacitor and the current through the inductor. That is the variable. Clearly explained in the example. If you see, state variable nothing but current flowing through the inductor, voltage across the capacitor. Inductor capacitor variables, inductor value, capacitor value are the constants. Inductor value, capacitor values are the constants. What are the variables? The current flowing is the I is the variable. Similarly, voltage is the variable. They are not fixed. They are variable constraints. But the value of the inductor and the capacitor, they are the fixed constraints. They are the constants. So here the variables nothing but the current flowing through the inductor is the variable. Voltage across the capacitor is the variable. These are the storage elements. Okay. So based on the number of storage elements, we can use number of state variables. The number of state variables is equal to the number of storage elements. మీకు ఎన్ని ఉంటే storage elements అన్ని state variables ఉంటాయి. But here the state variable nothing but the current flowing through the inductor is the state variable. Voltage across the capacitor is the state variable. Is it clear? Not inductor, capacitor are the state variables. They are the constants. They are fixed constraints. They are not variable constraints. Okay. Right. Tell me now. Here, what are the variable constraints in the circuit? What are the variables, state variables? No, your voice is not audible. Hello? Balaji? What are the state variables in this circuit? Tell me. What are the state variables? In this circuit, what are the state variables? Inductor, capacitor, current and voltage across the capacitor. What are the state variables? Hello, am I audible? Am I audible, all of you? Am I audible? Hello?
Sir.
Yeah. What are the state variables in this circuit?
Current flowing through inductor, voltage across capacitor.
Current flowing through the inductor, voltage across the
Capacitor.
voltage across the capacitor, which is BC of T. BC of T. So we have two storage elements, inductor and capacitor, in this circuit. So the number of state variables equal to number of storage elements, right? So what are those state variables? Current flowing through the inductor and the voltage across the capacitor. What is voltage across the capacitor? Voltage across capacitor is nothing but output voltage in this circuit. Output voltage in this circuit. After applying KVL for this circuit, so we are getting this equation. After simplification, right? After simplification. Okay, right. What is the formula for voltage across the capacitor? Current is LdI by dt. Okay. What is the formula for voltage across the capacitor? VC of T. VC of T. అంతే కదా, మీకు గుర్తుంది కదా? Voltage across the capacitor.
Yes, sir.
Plus and minus. VC equal to 1 by C integral I dt. If you take the inductor, current flowing through the inductor, I of T, which is nothing voltage across the inductor. Wait a minute, I did the mistake. Voltage across the inductor, it is L plus minus V. The current flowing is I. So what is current voltage across the inductor? L di by dt. If you take the capacitor, plus minus voltage, what is voltage across the capacitor? 1 by C integral I dt. This is used here, and this one is we are using here. Okay. So after applying KVL, we have this equation, and we have a voltage across the capacitor. You can differentiate the above equation. So we are getting dVc by dt, derivative nothing but cancel the integrator. So I of t by C. I of t by C. I of t by C. Okay. I of t by C. Right. Now, what is state vector? What is the definition of state vector? What is the definition of state vector? Read it. What is the definition of state vector?
It is
It
a
is a
vector.
vector
Hmm.
which contains the state variables as elements.
What are the state variables for this circuit?
L and C, sir.
మళ్ళీ మొదటికి వచ్చారు. What are the state variables in this circuit? I'm not asking storage elements.
Current flowing through inductor, voltage across capacitor.
So that is I and Vc. I of t and Vc. I of t and Vc. So if you see state vector, x is nothing but I of t, Vc of t. Is it clear? Is it clear? We are represented in the matrix. Is it clear?
Yes,
State
sir.
vector which contains the state variables as the elements. State variables as the elements. In this circuit, the state variables are current flowing through the inductor, voltage across the inductor. Why? Because we have inductor and capacitor are the as the storage elements in this circuit. So if you find the differential state vector, which is x dot, you have to differentiate di by dt and dvc by dt. So this is the differential state vector. So how many vectors we have? State vector and differential state vector. So state vector is a combination of, contains the state variable as the element, and differential state vector is obtained from the state vector with the differential equation. First derivative, first differential equation. Okay. That's what we explained in the definition. Wait, if you observe Wikipedia, see, in the control engineering, state space representation is a mathematical model of physical system as a set of input and output and state variables related by the what? Related by the what? Related by the
First order differential equation.
first order differential equation. That's the very important. That's the here. State vector and differential state vector. State vector is the which contains the state variable as the elements. Differential state vector which contains the first derivative of the state variables as the elements. Is it clear? All of you, is it clear? Okay. Now, if you observe, we are arranging those equations in the standard form. Those equations in the standard form. What is the standard form? Tell me. X dot equal to A into X, B into U. Y equal to C into X plus D into U. Okay. So what are the equations we have? What are the equations we have? This is one equation. Take this one or two. And we have one more equation. What is that equation? So we have this equation. మనకి ఈక్వేషన్ ఉందా మీరు చూడండి ఒకసారి తెలుస్తుంది. ఇదేనా ఈక్వేషనేనా నేను రాసింది? కరెక్టేనా? నేను రాసింది కరెక్టేనా?
Yes, sir.
అంతే కదా? So by using this equation and this equation, we are framing the standard model, state model. Okay. So okay. Is it clear, all of you? This matrix. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear or not? How we find the state model from a given electrical system? Is it clear, all of you? X dot, which is nothing but this one, equal to A into X. What is X? What is X? What is X? What is
State
X?
vector.
State vector.
Right. We have written here. So in the first equation, if you observe I of t and Vc of t, I of t and Vc of t, the first two terms, if you take these two terms, minus R by L is one element. If you represent in the matrix, minus 1 by L, minus 1 by L is one more thing, right? So if you multiply this thing and this thing, you are getting this equation. Minus R by L into I of t plus minus 1 by L into Vc of t. ఇదే వస్తుంది మీకు, these two terms. Similarly, so I of t, second equation కి రండి, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, dVc of by t equal to, we have only 1 by c term, I of t into 1 by c. So nothing but if you multiply the second row with this column, 1 by c into I of t plus, there is no Vc of t term in the second equation, but in the first equation we have Vc of t. That's why we have minus 1 by L. Here there is no Vc of t term in the second equation. That's why we have taken the element as 0 in the matrix. Plus, what is U? What is U? What is U? Input. For the given circuit, what is the input? For the given circuit, what is the input? What is the input, Nana? మన circuit లో what is the input?
VI of t.
VI of t, right? So first equation లో గాని second equation లో గాని VI of t term ఉందా? ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో గాని సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో గాని VI of t టర్మ్ ఉందా?
First equation.
ఫస్ట్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఉందా? రైట్. VI of t by L. So which is nothing but di of t by dt. So di of by dt లో 1 by L VI of t. సెకండ్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో ఉందా? which is dVc of by t. ఉందా? ఉందా లేదా? Second
No, sir.
equation. So that's why we are taking the 0 in the matrix element, right? What is output? So B matrix కూడా అయిపోయింది, 1 by L 0. So coming to this one, y is the output, right? What is X? What is X? What is X?
State
What is
vector.
state vector, this one. Okay. What is the output of the circuit? What is the output of the circuit? V naught of t, right? V naught of t is nothing but Vc of t, nothing, right? V naught of t is nothing but Vc of t for our circuit. So we are writing the state vector as it is, and the matrix is represented like this, 0 and 1. If you multiply this matrix 1 by 2 and 2 by 1, multiply this matrix, you are getting y equal to Vc of t. What is y? Output. What is Vc of t? Output of the circuit. Is it clear, all of you? Y output here from the knowledge of this equation and di of t by dt equation, and the input to the circuit and the output of the circuit, we are framing the state space model, the standard state space model, which is ax plus bu and y equal to cx plus du. Here d is 0. We are taking d is 0 because there is no d matrix here, feed forward matrix. D is 0. So what are the system matrix and input and output matrices? And if you observe, this is the system matrix. This is the system matrix. This is the input matrix. This is the output matrix, and the feed forward matrix is 0. Is it clear how the state space model represented with from the differential equation of the electrical circuit? Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, or can I can explain one more? Shall I explain one more? Shall I explain one more time?
Yes, sir.
So first tell me, suppose okay. Okay, tell me what are the storage, what are the state variables for this circuit? What are the storage elements? First of all, tell me what are the storage elements?
Inductor and capacitor.
Inductor, capacitor. Then how many state variables are there? We have two storage elements. Then how many state variables are present?
2, sir.
Two only. What are those? What are those state variables?
L of t and Vc of t.
Current flowing through the inductor, I of t, voltage across the capacitor, Vc of t. So what is state vector? State vector is a matrix contains these two state variable as the elements. Is it clear? Up to this step, all of you. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. What is differential state vector? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Apply KVL. Apply KVL, which is VI of t equal to the current flowing through the resistor R into I of t, voltage drop across the resistor, and the voltage drop across the inductor is L d by dt of I of t, and the output voltage across the capacitor is Vc of t. Vc of t. Okay. Now we can find. So what is the requirement? We need to find what is Vc of t. Vc of t is nothing but Vi of t minus R into I of t plus L d by dt of I of t. No, wait. From this, find I of t. Okay, find I of t. From this equation, find I of t. Find I of t. Find this one, di of t by dt. Okay, so take these two terms to your left hand side. So Vi of t minus R into I of t minus Vc of t equal to L d by dt I of t. So take this L to your LH side. So di of t by dt equal to Vi of t by L. Vi of t by L minus Ri of t by L minus Vc of t by L. Minus Vc of t by L, which is equation 1. Equation 1. Equation 1. Okay. Next. What is the voltage across the capacitor? Formula Vc of t. 1 by C integral of I of t dt. I of t dt. Derivative this one. dVc of t by dt equal to I of t by C. Cancel the into, right? This is the second equation. Okay. This is the first and second equations. Okay. What is the input for this circuit? What is the input to this circuit? What is the input to this circuit?
Vi of
What is the output of this circuit? What is the output of this circuit? V naught of t, nothing
V
but
naught of t. Vc
nothing
of
but
t.
Vc of t. Okay. Input is Vi of t. Output is Vc of t. Right. So what is the standard form? First ఒకటి చేద్దాం. X dot equal to A into X plus B. Okay. What is X? What is X? Tell me. What is X? What is X for the problem? What is X?
Vector, sir.
Right. State vector I of t and Vc of t.
Vc of
What is differential state vector? So we have these two equations. Second equation represented dVc by dt and first equation represented dit by dt. So from these two equations, we have to frame the matrices. So first X dot matrix represented similarly di of t by dt, dVc of t by dt. Completed. Coming to X. Coming to X. What is X? I of t, Vc of t. Plus, leave the B matrix. B punctuation. What is U? What is U? What is U?
Vc of t.
U, Nana. What is U? Input. What is input?
Yeah.
Bi of t, right? Bi of t. Bi of t, right? So we have to find the matrix A and matrix B from these two equations, 1 and 2. So coming to first row elements, first row elements of this 2 by 2 matrix will be framed from the first equation. What is the first equation? So we have the I of t and Vc of t, I of t and Vc of t. Right, I of t, Vc of t. So first one, take this one. So what is the first element? What is the second element? First element is multiplied with I of t. If you do the matrix multiplication, second element multiplied with the Vc of t. Is it clear? The first element of the matrix, first row, first element matrix multiplied with I of t, and the second element, second element in the first row is multiplied with Vc of t. So what is the coefficient multiplied with I of t and Vc of t in the first equation? What is the coefficient multiplied with I of t and Vc of t in the first equation? Tell me the coefficients.
minus R by L
Minus R by L,
minus 1 by L.
minus 1 by L. Very good. Minus R by L, minus 1 by L. Minus R by L, minus 1 by L. Okay. Next. Next, what we have? One more L, one more. So with these two terms completed. So one more thing, one more term is there. What is the term? What is the term? What is the term? Two completed. What is the term?
Vi of t by L.
What is the coefficient? V of t multiplied with the
1 by L.
1 by L. 1 by L. Right. So first equation completed. Is it clear? Is it clear? All of you. di of
Yes,
t
sir.
by dt equal to minus R by L into I of t plus minus 1 by L into Vc of t plus 1 by L into Va of t. That's what is the first equation. Is it clear? Now coming to second equation. dVc of t by dt. So is there any I of t term? I of t? What is the coefficient of I of t in the second
1 by
equation?
C.
1 by C. 1 by C. One by C. Right. So what about Vc of t term in the second equation? Vc of t term in the second equation lo. We have derivative of Vc of t. Vc of t term in the.
Less, sir.
So what is the coefficient?
0.
Va of t term in the second equation lo.
Less.
What is the coefficient?
0.
So what is A matrix, system matrix? This is the A. What is input matrix? B. Right. We have one more mode equation, Cx plus du. So y equal to, what is x? What is x? I of t, Vc of t. right? So what is u? What is u? Vi of t. Vi of t. So this is 2 by 1. Okay. This must be 1 by 2. So D matrix. D ante మన తర్వాత చూద్దాం, right? What is output? What is output? What is output? What is output? What is the value? Vc of t. Vc of t. So nothing but I of t term unda. Output lo I of t term unda. Is the output I of t term in the output? No. We have only Vc of t. So 0, 1. And D matrix is 0. D is, we have obviously taking a 0. So this is the representation of state model. This is the second output equation and state equation. State equation, state matrix equation, and output equation model, right? Y. So this is how we can frame the state space model from the given circuits. So this is how we are getting the matrices. Is it clear, all of you? At least now, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. We'll see. We'll see one more. So state space model from the transfer function. మీకు ఓ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్తాడు. ఒక ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్తే దాని నుంచి మనం స్టేట్ స్పేస్ మోడల్ ఎలా అబ్టైన్ చేయొచ్చు అనేది చూద్దాం. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు 2 టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో వీ హ్యావ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ హ్యావ్ దే కాన్స్టెంట్ టర్మ్ ఇన్ ద న్యూమరేటర్ like this. Constant term in the numerator, and we have one more transfer function model having polynomial function of s in numerator. Polynomial function of s in the numerator. Like this. If you observe, this is the second model. So దీని నుంచి ఇలాంటి ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇస్తే దే ఆర్ ద ఎస్ఏ క్వశ్చన్స్ నాన్న. 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇవి. ఓకేనా? 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే. సో ఇస్తే ఎలా చేయాలి, ఎలా స్టేట్ స్పేస్ మోడల్ డిరైవ్ చేయాలి ఫ్రమ్ ద గివెన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ ఒకటి చూద్దాం, రైట్? So if you observe, this is the given transfer function. All of you clearly observe the essay question for internal and external point of view. So this is the standard transfer function. Let's take b naught by s power n plus a n minus 1 s power n minus 1 plus and so on, a1s and a naught s power 0. Okay. So rearranging the above equation, that means cross multiplication. He did the cross multiplication, and he applied inverse Laplace on both sides. Inverse Laplace on both sides. That means s power n into y of s. ఏమవుతుంది? s power n into y of s ఏమవుతుంది? ఇన్వర్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? If you apply s power n inverse Laplace to s power n and y of L inverse of s power n y of s ఏమవుతుంది? ఏమవుతుంది ఇన్వర్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే? ఏమొస్తుంది ఇన్వర్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే ఈ టర్మ్ కి? s పవర్ n ఇంటూ y ఆఫ్ s.
nth order derivative of y of t.
Right. Nth order derivative, that is d power n y of t by dt whole power n. dt power n. Similarly, a power n minus s power n minus 1 into y of s. L inverse of a n minus 1 coefficient s power n minus 1 into y of s. You are getting this term. So a1 di by t, a0 y of t, and for this one, if you apply inverse, L inverse of b naught u of s, you are getting b naught u of t. B naught u of t. So completed. Right. This is the very important. Now this is ఇప్పుడు మనం తీసుకునేది స్టెప్స్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. These steps are very important while solving the problems. So first, let y of t equal to x1. Let y of t equal to x1. So what is dy by dt? Which is x1 dot, which is also considered as x2. And again derivating this one, d square y by dt square, which is nothing but x, which is considered x3. x3 is nothing but x2 dot. x2 dot. Is it clear, all of you? I am taking y of t equal to x1. What is x1 dot? dy of t by dt, which is also take it as x2. Next, I am finding x2 dot. What is this one? X d square y by dt square, which is take it as x3, or which is considered as x1 double dot. Is it clear? Is it clear? Third step. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right? Similarly, up to nth order, d power n minus 1 into y of t by dt n minus 1, nothing but xn minus 1 dot, which is nothing but xn. Finally, dn y of t by dt n, nothing but x dot n. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear? These things, they are very important while deriving the state model from the given transfer function. These assumptions are very important. All of you clear with this? All of you clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేస్తుంటే మీకు తెలుస్తుందా? ఈజీ, చాలా ఈజీ, డెడ్ ఈజీ. మీకు చేస్తుంటే తెలుస్తుంది, చూద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్, what is u of t? U. So now the equation, this equation becomes like this. So what is x? What is this equation? What is the term? చెప్పండి నాన్న, వాట్ ఈస్ ద టర్మ్? ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్
S
టర్మ్?
power n, sir. D power n by
xn dot. ఓకేనా? xn dot. What is the next term? What is the next term?
xn minus 1.
xn minus 1 dot. xn minus 1 dot. What is xn minus 1 dot? Nothing but xn minus 1 dot, nothing but
xn, sir.
very good, Nana. xn plus and so on. Plus and so on. Next, a1 into what is dy by dt? What is dy by dt?
x1 dash x1 dot, sir.
x1 dot nothing but
x2.
we have to represent only one term అమ్మా, లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఇలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. ఎందుకనేది మీకు చెప్తాను, ప్రాబ్లం వస్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు తెలుస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే మనకు స్టేట్ వెక్టర్, డిఫరెన్షియల్ స్టేట్ వెక్టర్ ఎక్స్ డాట్ కదా, ఎక్స్ డాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ ఇంటూ ఎక్స్ ఇలా వస్తుంది కదా. సో దీనికోసం మన లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ ఒక్కదాన్నే మనం ఇలా వదిలేస్తాం డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ లో, మిగిలిన అన్నిట్లో మామూలుగా ఇలా తీసుకుంటాం. a1 ఇంటూ చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఈస్ y ఆఫ్ t?
x2, sir.
x2 ప్లస్ a0 into what is y of t?
x1, sir.
x1 equal to b0 into what is u of t? u of t is u. నేను ఇక్కడ రిప్రజెంట్ చేశాను కింద, ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తే I have represented here. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Right. If you observe this, నేను చెప్పాను కదా, స్టేట్ ఈక్వేషన్ రాయటం కోసం రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని టర్మ్స్ ని మనం రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవుతాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎలా ఉంది చూడండి, డిఫరెన్షియల్ స్టేట్ వెక్టర్ ఈక్వల్ టు నార్మల్ స్టేట్ వెక్టర్స్ xn అండ్ ఇన్పుట్ ఎలా ఉంది, ఇది x డాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ax ప్లస్ bu కాంబినేషన్ లో చేంజ్ చేసినట్టుందా, కాంబినేషన్ లో చేంజ్ చేసినట్టుందా మీరు చూస్తే ఈక్వేషన్
Yes, sir.
x dot equal to ax plus bu. If you observe, x dot ante xn dot, x ante c, x1 x2 x3 xn like this, n kada x1 x2 x3 x4 up to xn, right? u and these are the coefficients, a matrix lo unde coefficients. ఏ ఉంటేవి a0 మైనస్ a0 మైనస్ a1 మైనస్ a పవర్ n మైనస్ 1 b0, ఇవన్నీ ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ లో ఉండే కోఎఫిషియంట్స్. x1 x2 దే ఆర్ ద స్టేట్ వెక్టర్ అండ్ x డాట్ n is the differential state vector. Is it clear how we convert this to this one? మనం ఎలా ఎందుకు కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాల్సిందని, right? Why we are leaving the last term as differentiative term to find the differential state vector. Okay, right. What is the output equation? What is the output equation? మనకి అవుట్పుట్ కూడా ఉంది కదా మరి, cx plus du, cx plus du అవుట్పుట్ ఉంది కదా. వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్? y అంటే ఏమనుకున్నాం మనం, y అంటే ఏమనుకున్నాం స్టార్టింగ్ లో, వాట్ ఈస్ y? What is y of t? What is y of t? x1. So y of t is x1. Now see the state space model. See the state space model. If you observe, tell me what is x1 dot? Do the multiplication. Do the multiplication of first row with this column. What is x1 dot?
0, sir.
What? Y 0? What is x1 dot? Multiply this row with this column and 0 with u. You are getting the thing. Tell me what is x1 dot?
x2.
x2 0 into u. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So what is x1 dot? Tell me what is x1 dot? x2. Right. What is x2 dot? Second one.
x3, sir.
x3. What is x3 dot?
x4, sir.
x4. What is xn dot?
xn plus 1,
sir.
Huh?
xn plus 1.
What is xn dot? నేను ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ నుంచి చెప్పమంటున్నాను, మీరు ఇదే కదా చెప్పాము. x1 డాట్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ రో ఆఫ్ ద మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇంటూ దిస్ కాలమ్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్. x2 dot nothing but second row of the matrix into this matrix multiplication. x3 dot means third row of the matrix into this column. What is xn dot? Last row of the matrix multiplied with this one. Do the multiplication.
minus A naught x1
Minus a naught x1
minus
Plus B
A1
not used.
x2
minus a1 x2
x2
uh,
minus
That-
A2 x3
minus a2
And so
x3 and so on. Cheppu last element ku cheppanu.
minus an minus 1
Minus an
xn.
minus 1 minus an minus 1 xn. ఇంకా ఉంది కదా లాస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్
Plus B not U.
b not u. Now see, is both equations are similar or not? This equation similar గా ఉందా?
Yes, sir.
మరి దాని నుంచే కదా వచ్చింది మనకు మ్యాట్రిక్స్, అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Similarly మనం మ్యాట్రిక్స్ నుంచే వేసాము. Similarly what is x1 dot? x1 dot, what is x1 dot from matrix? What is x1 dot?
H2, sir.
Here also x1 dot equal to x2. What is x2 dot?
H3, sir.
Here also x2 dot equal to x3. Is it clear how the matrix are framed? Is it clear? That's what I
Yes,
want
sir.
to explain. Okay na? మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ మీద వస్తున్నాను, బట్ వెరీ ఈజీ. రైట్, కమింగ్ టు అవుట్పుట్. ఇన్పుట్ అయిపోయింది, ఐ మీన్ స్టేట్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అయిపోయింది. ఏఎక్స్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఏ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ నానా, దిస్ ఇస్ ఎక్స్ and this is B matrix and this is U and this is X dot matrix equal to AX plus BU. AX plus BU. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Right. Coming to output. What is the output? Y equal to X1. What is matrix we have? CX plus DU. సో ఎక్స్ ఏముంది మనకి? ఎక్స్ అంటే ఇది, ఎక్స్ అంటే ఇది ఎంటైర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ వై? దిస్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్. ఇఫ్ యు మల్టిప్లై దిస్ వన్, what you get? If you multiply this matrix with this one, this is 1 by n, this is n by 1. What you are getting if you multiply?
X1 only, sir. One.
x1 only. అదే కదా మనం తీసుకున్న స్టార్టింగ్ లో అజంప్షన్.
Yes, sir.
స్టార్టింగ్ లో మనం తీసుకున్న అజంప్షన్ అదే కదా. ఇదేనా మనం తీసుకుంది, అంతేనా? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ హౌ we develop state space model from the transfer function. Is it clear? Shall we take one example? It's a 7 marks question, mind it. It's a very easy, that's why I'm telling state space analysis chapter is very easy to score. Nobody try to take the choice. Okay, so this is a transfer function. So for this, first you have to do the cross multiplication. Okay, next apply inverse Laplace. Apply inverse Laplace. S square y of s nothing but s square y of s, దానికి ఇన్వర్స్ అప్లై చేస్తే నథింగ్ బట్ ఏంటి? టెల్ మీ. దీన్ని ఇలా మల్టిప్లై చేసి రాస్తాం నానా. ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ వై ఆఫ్ ఎస్ స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నా, ఎస్ ఇంటూ వై ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ప్లస్ వై ఆఫ్ ఎస్ ఈక్వల్ టు యూ ఆఫ్ ఎస్. అప్లై ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ టు దిస్ ఈక్వేషన్. వాట్ యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్? ఎస్ స్క్వేర్ వై ఆఫ్ ఎస్ నథింగ్ బట్, what is the inverse Laplace of s square y of s?
D square y of t by
D square y of t by dt square. What is the inverse Laplace of s into y of s? What is inverse Laplace of s into y of s?
dy of t by dt.
dy of t by dt. What is inverse Laplace of y of s?
Y of t.
What is the inverse Laplace of u of s?
U of t.
Completed. First step, you have to cross multiply and you have to convert this transfer function into differential equation. మనం రివర్స్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేస్తున్నాం. స్టార్టింగ్ చాప్టర్స్ లో డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ నుంచి లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ అప్లై చేసి ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేవాళ్ళం. హియర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ బై అప్లయింగ్ ఇన్వర్స్ లాప్లాస్ ట్రాన్స్ఫార్మ్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ద మెథడాలజీ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now again let y of t equal to x1. Let y of t equal to x1. Right. If y of t equal to x1, sorry, let me explain in the whiteboard. Sure. Speed ga undalra em 1 by s square plus s plus 1. What is dy of t by dt? Tell me. What is dy of t by dt? Tell me.
x1 dot.
X1 dot, which is nothing but
x2.
x2. Very good. Next, d square y of t by dt square. చెప్పండి నాన్న.
x2 dot
Nothing but
x3, sir.
x3. How many state variables are there? How many state variables are there? How many state variables are there? How do you find how many state variables are there? For like these problems, the number of state variables given by the order of system. What is the order of the system?
2, sir.
చెప్పండి నాన్న ఎంత? 2, right? How many state variables are there? Then how many state variables are there? Then how many state variables
sir.
are present? Huh? Tell me. Correct చెప్పండి.
2, sir.
2. Okay.
2, sir.
2. Okay. Right. Now it's time to replace the things. So what is d square y of t by dt square? What is d square y of t by dt square? What is d square y of t by dt square?
x3 sir.
Don't take the
x2 dot.
right. We have to take like this, Nana. Cheppan kada. To find the state matrix. So first ది మనం maximum power of s ఏదైతే maximum power of s ఉంటుందో దాన్ని డిఫరెన్షియల్ టర్మ్ కింద తీసుకుంటాం. ఇంకా కూడా అంతే, x అండ్ డాట్ తీసుకున్నాం, గుర్తుందో లేదో, x అండ్ డాట్ అని తీసుకున్నాం ఇక్కడ కూడా అంతే. నెక్స్ట్ చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఈస్ dy ఆఫ్ t బై dt?
x2 sir.
x2, వెరీ గుడ్. వాట్ ఈస్ y ఆఫ్ t? What is y of t?
x1
Equal to what is u of t? What is u of t?
u sir.
U. Okay. U. So from this, what is x2 dot? What is x2 dot? Minus x1 minus x2 minus x1 minus x2 plus u, equation 1. Right. Next, what is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? What is x1 dot? చెప్పండి నాన్న, వాట్ ఈస్ x1 డాట్? వాట్ ఈస్ x1 డాట్ చెప్పండి, అక్కడే ఉంది. వాట్ ఈస్ x1 డాట్?
x2 sir.
వెరీ గుడ్, అదే కదా x2. నంబర్ 2. వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్? వాట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్? y ఆఫ్ t ఆర్ y ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఇది కూడా y ఆఫ్ t ఈక్వల్ టు y అనుకోండి.
x1 sir.
x1. ఈ మూడిటి నుంచి మనం ఇప్పుడు స్టేట్ మోడల్ చేస్తాం. సి వాట్ ఈస్ స్టేట్ మోడల్? x డాట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ax ప్లస్ bu, y ఈక్వల్ టు cx ప్లస్ du. x dot, how many state variables are there? How many state variables are there?
Yes, sir.
2. x1 dot, x2 dot. మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తెలీదు, సో x1 x2. మ్యాట్రిక్స్ తెలీదు, u. ఇప్పుడు ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫ్రేమ్ చేయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ x1 డాట్ ఈక్వేషన్ తీసుకోండి. x1 డాట్ ఈక్వేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ x1 డాట్? వాట్ ఈస్ x1 డాట్ చెప్పండి, వాట్ ఈస్ x1 డాట్? చెప్పండి నాన్న, వాట్ ఈస్ x1 డాట్?
x2
x2. x2 నథింగ్ బట్ x1 టర్మ్ ఉందా దాంట్లో? x1 టర్మ్ ఉందా? x1 టర్మ్ ఉందా?
No sir.
సో ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ 0, సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్ 1. అంతేనా? మల్టిప్లై చేయి ఇది, ఈ రో అండ్ ఈ కాలం. 0 into x1 ప్లస్ 1 into x2, x1 డాట్. ఇది ఉందా? యూ టర్మ్ ఉందా
no sir.
x2 లో? లేదు. సో 0. రైట్, కమింగ్ టు x2 డాట్. వాట్ ఈస్ x1 టర్మ్? x1 కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఎంత?
-1
minus
X2
1,
x2 కోఎఫిషియంట్,
minus 1,
u కోఎఫిషియంట్
-1 sir.
1,
-1 1 కంప్లీటెడ్, అయిపోయింది. నెక్స్ట్ y ఈక్వల్ టు cx. y ఈక్వల్ టు x అంటే x1 x2. ఓకే, y చెప్పండి, y అంటే ఏంటి?
x1,
x1. సో టెల్ మీ ద ఎలిమెంట్స్. here elements చెప్పండి.
1,
1
1,
ఇది
0,
దెన్ అయిపోయింది
0, sir.
అయిపోయింది 7 మార్క్స్ నాన్న ఇది అయిపోయింది కంప్లీటెడ్ 7 మార్క్స్ ప్రాబ్లం కంప్లీటెడ్ దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ స్టేట్ స్పేస్ మోడల్ రిప్రజెంటెడ్ చూడండి మన మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఏంటి చెప్పండి యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ఏ 0 1 -1 -1 వాట్ ఈస్ బి 0 1 వాట్ ఈస్ సి 1 0 మనం లాస్ట్ లో ఇంకా ముందుకు వెళ్తున్న కొద్దీ ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ యూజ్ చేసి స్టెబిలిటీ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం సిస్టమ్ స్టెబిలిటీ కూడా మనకి ఆర్హెచ్ రూట్ లోకస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయో ఇక్కడ స్టెబిలిటీకి మనం ర్యాంక్ కనుక్కోవాలి బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ర్యాంక్ మనం సిస్టమ్ స్టెబిలిటీని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి కంట్రోలబుల్లా అబ్జర్వబుల్లా మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చాను కంట్రోలబిలిటీ అబ్జర్వబిలిటీ ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ యూజ్ చేసి ర్యాంక్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ కి మళ్ళీ అప్లై చేసుకుంటూ మనం చేస్తాం మనం స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఉన్నాం కనుక ఒక డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఉంటే ఆర్ ఒక ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ మీకు ఇన్పుట్ కింద ఇస్తే డేటా ఇస్తే మీరు స్టేట్ స్పేస్ మోడల్ ఎలా ఫ్రేమ్ చేసుకోవాలో మీకు చెప్తున్నాను నేను ఇప్పుడు తర్వాత ఈ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ తో మనకు పని ఉంది ముందు ముందు ఓకే ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ
Yes, sir.
ఓకే సో వాడికి అదే వచ్చింది 0 1 -1 -1 0 1 1 0 సో ఇప్పుడు ఇలా ఉంటే ఏంటి అనేది చూద్దాం meanwhile చూడండి అదే స్టేట్ స్పేస్ మోడల్ స్టేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం స్టేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ సో వాట్ ఈస్ స్టేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ నథింగ్ బట్ it is a pictorial representation of the state model of the system the pictorial representation of the state model of the system what is state model tell me equations what is state model tell me fast what is state model tell me the equations చెప్పాలి స్పీడ్ గా చెప్పాలి స్టేట్ మోడల్ is nothing but x dot equal to చెప్పండి x plus bu y equal to
cx plus du.
This is called state model. So we have to represent the state model with the pictorial representation, which is nothing but state diagram. We can represent it either in block diagram form or signal flow graph form. Maku telisine rendu block diagram and signal flow graph, right? So generally, the state diagram describes the relationship between the state variables. Relation between the state variables. Okay. So we have these terms. We have in the state model, we have three basic elements in the state diagram. One is scalar, adder, and integrator. Scalar, adder, and integrator. మనకి సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ లో మిక్స్డ్ నోడ్ ఇన్పుట్ నోడ్ అవుట్పుట్ నోడ్ బ్రాంచ్ ట్రాన్స్మిటెన్స్ ఇలా ఎలా అంటున్నామో స్టేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ లో వీ హ్యావ్ 3 elements scalar adder and the integrator. So what is scalar? Scalar is used to multiply the signals by constant. Scalar is nothing but similar to our transmittance in the signal flow graph. Similar to transmittance in the signal flow graph. Right? Adder is nothing but to add two or more signals. Similar to summing element. Plus. If you use two, if you give the inputs, what is the output? x1 plus x2 plus x3, right? In the signal flow graph, the same thing here. The adder is used to add two or more signals. Scalar, like transmittance, gain, transmittance or gain, which is used to multiply the signal by the constant. Integrator, it is used to integrate an signal. They are used to integrate the derivatives of the state variables to get the state variables. Why we are using integrator means integration of x1 dot అంటే ఏమొస్తుందన్న, ఇది డిఫరెన్షియల్ స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్. మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, మనకి
X1.
x1. వాట్ ఈస్ x1? వాట్ ఈస్ x1? ఇది డిఫరెన్షియల్ స్టేట్ వేరియబుల్ అయితే వాట్ ఈస్ x1? చెప్పండి. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ x1 dot is the differential state variable, what is x1?
State variable.
State variable. That's what he is telling. It is used to integrate the signal. They are used to integrate the derivative of state variables to get state variable. Is it clear? Is it clear? And one more thing, this is important. The initial conditions of the state variable can be added by using the adder after integration. The initial conditions, we are in the state space model, we are considering initial conditions. చెప్తున్నా, ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ మెథడాలజీలో మాత్రం we are omitting the initial conditions, but in the state space we have to consider the initial conditions. So here the initial conditions of the state variable can be added by using an adder after integration. After integration. So see, time domain and S domain. చూడండి ఎలా ఉంది. స్కేలార్ అంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్, x of t equal to a into x of t, x of s equal to a into x of s. Adder, like summing, x1 x2, x1 of t plus x2 of 3. In S domain, x1 of s, x2 of s, x1 of s plus x2 of s. Next, similarly, differential state variable, normal state variable, integrator, x of x dot t ఇచ్చాం. This is the integrator. This is x dot t అని చెప్తున్నాడు. ఇది తీసుకెళ్ళి సమ్మింగ్ యాంప్లిఫైర్ కి ఇచ్చాడు. ప్లస్ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ నాకు సిగ్నల్ వస్తుంది x of 0. Tell me, what is the output? What is the output of summing amplifier? I mean summing, not amplifier, not summing amplifier. Okay. What is the output of this summer? What is the output of this summer? Summing element.
T plus x of 0.
Tell me, చెప్పండమ్మా.
X of t plus x of 0.
Right, very good. X of t plus x of 0. Why? Because after integration, we are getting the signal x of 2 to this summer. So the output is x of t plus x of 0. Similarly, S domain, x of s multiplied by 1 by s, x not by s, x of s by s, right? ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇది ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాడో చూడండి. This is the state model. So for this block diagram, what is input, what is output? What is input, what is output?
U of t, y of t.
అంతే కదా, స్టేట్ స్పేస్ మోడల్లో చెప్పా కదా, u and y are the input and output vectors చెప్పాను కదా. నార్మల్ గా అయితే మనకేంటి r of s, c of s, అంతేనా? ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అయితే అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
Right, here the inputs are for state model, u is the input, y is the output, y is the output. So we are giving input, we are providing output. Okay, right. మనకు చూడండి, what is the first vector? What is the first vector? State equation. What is state equation? What is state equation? What is state equation? Read it.
X dot of t equal to ax of t plus bu of t.
Right? See. for this, first taking the u of t. u of t ఎక్కడెక్కడ ఉంది? ఇన్పుట్ దేనికి ఉంది?
B and D.
B and D. So this u of t is multiplied with b, which we are getting b into u of t. Output of this block is b into u of t, and the signal is passed through d. The output is d into u of t. D into u of t. Right. Now b into u of t. Next, ఇది దేంతో యాడ్ అవ్వాలి? b into u of t దేంతో యాడ్ అవ్వాలి? దేంతో యాడ్ అవ్వాలి?
A into X of.
A into x of t. So see, here the signal coming is x of t. X of t. Here the signal coming is x of t. A into x of t. What is the output of this summer? If b into u of t and a into x of t is the input to the summing amplifier. This is b into u of t, a into x of t. What is the output of this summer? Chapandi. These two are the input to this summer. What is the output of this summing element? Chapandi nana. Chapandi. What is the output of this summing element if these two are the inputs?
A into X of t plus B into U of t.
A into x of t plus b into u of t. అసలు a into x of t plus b into u of t అంటే ఏంటి?
X
ఏం
dot
చెప్పు?
of.
X dot of t. So that's why here I am representing x dot of t. X dot of t. ఇక్కడ. What is x dot of t? X dot of t nothing but a into x of t plus b into u of t. Now, మరి నాకు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఏతో సిగ్నల్ మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది, ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ టీ వస్తుంది. ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్కడేమో ఎక్స్ డాట్ టీ ఉంది. సో నాకు ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎక్స్ రావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఏముండాలి? ఇక్కడ ఏముండాలి? ఎక్స్ డాట్ టీ. ఇక్కడ నుంచో నాకు ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ టీ వస్తుంది. మరి ఇక్కడ ఏముండాలి నాకు?
Integrator.
That's why I place integrator here. Integrator. Is it clear? This part, all of you? Is it clear? Is it clear? Is
Yes,
it
sir.
clear? Right. Now, if you observe, u of t, my output is d into u of t, is given to this adder. What is y of t? Y of t equal to d into u of t. మరి మనకి ఇంకేం కావాలి? మనకేం కావాలి? రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్. So the output of this integrator is x of t. If you multiply with c, this is c into x of t. So which becomes c into x of t. Is it clear how these two equations represented with the help of block diagram? Is it clear? All of you. Is it clear?
sir.
Right. The same thing represented with the signal flow graph kodamma. Shown. What is the type of this node? ఈ నోడ్ ఏంటి? సిగ్నల్ ఫ్లో గ్రాఫ్ లో ఈ నోడ్ ఏమంటాం? ఇన్పుట్ నోడ్, అవుట్పుట్ నోడ్, మిక్స్డ్ నోడ్ ఏమంటాం? ఇన్పుట్ నోడ్, అవుట్పుట్ నోడ్, మిక్స్డ్ నోడ్.
Mixed node.
Very good. It is mixed node. It is mixed node. Why? Because you have incoming signals to this node and you have leaving signal to this node. Output signal to this node. So what is this node? Input node or output node?
Output nodes.
Output node. వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఇన్కమింగ్ సిగ్నల్స్? అవుట్పుట్ నోడ్ అంటే ఒక నోడ్ కి x1 x2 రెండు సిగ్నల్స్ వస్తాయి. x1 x2, what is the output of that node? x1 plus x2. Similarly, y of t is the node. What is the signal? C into x of t and d into u of t. So which is c into x of t plus d into u of t. Similarly, we have mixed node x dot t. X dot t, we have b into u of t is the input signal, and one more signal a into x of t. Here, this x dot of t node having signal like this. b into u of t ఒకటి వస్తుంది, ఇలా ఒకటి వస్తుంది. This is a into x of t. So what is x dot of t? A into x of t plus bu of t. Meanwhile, here we have integrator. This is the integrator. This is the integrator. That means integration of x dot of t, which is gives the x of t. This is how the signal flow graph and block diagram and signal flow graph representation for the state model. So what are the equations we have state model? One is state equation. Second one is output equation. These two are very important. State equation and output equation. Is it clear, all of you, till now? Is it clear? So tomorrow we'll continue the topics. The numerator and denominator are the polynomials of S. Then how do we build up the state model for the given transfer function? We'll take one example. Similarly, ఇలా ఇస్తే డైరెక్ట్ గా ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇస్తే మనం స్టేట్ మోడల్ ఎలా తీసుకోవాలి? మనకు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇచ్చాడు. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్తే ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ నుంచి మనం స్టేట్ మోడల్ బిల్డప్ చేసాం. సో డైరెక్ట్ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇస్తే ఇదో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం రేపు క్లాస్లో. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ టుడేస్ క్లాస్. Don't miss the classes. Don't miss the classes. The very important, easiest chapter, state space analysis. Okay. Thank you.